Yeah, it's nice thing to go to manga school, isn't it, Yukari?
Of course. I am absolutely agree with you, Seiji.
Let's go meet a new friends.
Oh yeah. Let's go too. I can't wait for so long.
Let's go.
I wonder how much I'll get a new friends. What we should do first?
Up to you. How about greeting the YouTubers?
Yeah. Hi guys. Nice to meet you. We want to go to manga school, come on. Let's go!
Okay, guys. See you on manga school.